What is definition of ready, DOR, in Agile? Previously explained about JavaScript interview questions, Microsoft Azure interview questions, ChatGPT, and Razor payment app installation. Now, we'll discuss the use of DOR in Agile projects. DOR, or definition of ready, plays a significant role in Agile projects. What is DOR? DOR refers to the definition of ready, which is utilized to understand whether work on an assignment is prepared to be commenced or not. Before assigning a task or user tale to the teams in a sprint, it needs to be adequately well explained and convinced by team members. The development team members must be able to grasp enough of a recommended extent to schedule it into a sprint, assess delivery time, and disperse favorable resources to accomplish its target. A DOR serves as a checklist of norms to stimulate the decision of a development team to start acting on a new assignment. Note that a DOR, definition of ready, is distinct from a DOD, definition of done. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Crowds. DOR Agile Contemplations. To assess an assignment as ready, it must pass particular acknowledgement standards. These criteria rely on the specific method of working and business processes of an organization. They assist assessment of user story points for inclusion in a sprint. Standard DOR in Agile contemplations includes the following questions: Is the assignment clear? Is the assignment actionable? Does the team realize exactly what to do? Can they perform it now? What is its significance to the end user? Is there a shared knowledge of what it is and how to execute it? Has the team assessed the assignment? What is the business's importance? Is the assignment useful? Can it be accomplished within one sprint? If it is not doable in a sprint, it might have to get splashed into smaller assignments. What are its acknowledgement norms? Is there a valuable approach to test each story's utility? When accomplished, what makes it perfect? Does the team comprehend how to assess it in the sprint review once finalized? This is where the description of accomplishment arrives in. DOR in Agile needs to be fixed by the entire team, not only project managers. Agile project managers make sure that the description of DOR is documented properly and evolves as teams grow. Example of DOR. Stakeholders may utilize DOR in Agile internally to interpret project needs and gives priority to the stories of a user in sprint considering. A simple description of a ready example is given below. The user story possessed industry value and has been estimated by the development team. It is clear and well described and attainable within a sprint. A user story is evaluable and examinable upon accomplishment. The dependencies of the user story have been recognized. DOR also arrives in handy when expanding and halting work or uniting with outer teams. DOR Scrum. Scrum has two permanent states such as ready and done that are correlated to user stories. However, these two states direct to the following Scrum principles: never grab anything into a sprint that is not ready, and never allow anything out of the sprint which is not performed. When we talk about Scrum, DOR comprehends the ready state. In general terms, a user story should satisfy some norms before it can be captured for a specific sprint. The DOR gathers all the conditions essential for a user story to get developed in the recent sprint. These norms are interpreted by sharing among the members of teams, the product possessor, and the Scrum Master. Also, the DOR is valuable so that everybody on the team is familiar with when to grab a user story in which specific sprint. In DOR, the TA is considered the client, and the product possessor is known as the supplier. To come across the DOR for a particular user story, the team members conduct the usual backlog grooming rounds with the product possessor. Throughout these sessions, the product possessor displays stories to the team and illustrates them one by one. If the team is not convinced about a specific perspective of a story, the team raises queries of the product possessor and clarifies their anxieties. Conclusion. Hope the viewer must have got an appropriate idea about DOR and DOD, and must know well now how to use DOD and DOR in Agile projects. You'll have some useful information on functions, as well as advantages of DOR, definition of ready.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.